Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here from Emotions Crypto Trading. Today we would like to continue with Solana price analysis and technical details, the news of the market, 28th of October. Here we are. Before we get into the topic, make sure to like and subscribe. As well, you can visit my other YouTube channel, the main one, where I have tons of videos including indicators, strategies, top crypto tradings that I perform, and all sort of things. As you can see, links are in the description area and comments area. Diving into the news sector before we talk about other things related to Solana, well, it doesn't sound that good in terms of the community. Experts are saying that it's losing trust on Solana over the unstable network. Now the price has been reached above $30 again, so it recaptures that important level. Yet the whole sentiment around Solana is no longer like it used to be a year ago, which is obviously an issue in terms of the way the whole team is handling the process of their network. You cannot have it unstable. You cannot represent numerous problems compared to your competition. You obviously need to produce a much better situation in terms of fundamentals to handle your clients, your customers, and your community in the proper direction. Solana is actually having difficulties. Again, Aptos as well. Is it luring away NFT traders and creators? So this is one of the questions people ask themselves. Now there's a whole lot of the details, and there's an analytics here. 33% losing trust in Solana team, which unfortunately is pretty much realistic about the problem. Now that's something you must consider, guys. On top of that, Solana, in terms of the price section, is slightly above $30. You have a 9% increase for the last 7 days. And this is less than what has Cardano performed. It's a lot less than what has Dogecoin performed. Much less than what has Ethereum performed. This is quite strange and quite problematic, I would say. Meanwhile, Solana used to do more than Ethereum, more than Cardano, more than Binance Coin easily. At this time, we can clearly see the issues behind the network they're having. So in terms of the price, 4-hour candlesticks, this is where are we sitting. We had an interesting situation of a triangle that was pointing downwards. It was clearly descending triangle with a structure of a lower low in terms of the market structure. So we were continuously building lower lows across the board during the whole September. October was a different situation as the markets were successfully discovering supports related to $27 on the trending support line. That was different, folks, as the distance between the price action here and the trending support line makes a gap. Now these gaps are always filled up with the price action, so the market needs to come down to the line and handle the touches of the line. Therefore, at the time we were also having this gap here, I was clearly telling everyone that simply, you formed a gap, but you must recover it if you fail to break out. So at the time the failure of the breakout was confirmed right there, we knew it is going to come back to the trending line. The only question was exactly where does the trending line will be positioned in the most accurate way, which is something you must be doing live. Therefore, the support reaction at the level of 27 and 43 cents is obviously backed up by data. And from that level, we were able to slowly increase the price action and get the buyers in control. So the breakout has happened in a very positive manner, generating another 4-hour candlesticks, pushing the price towards close to $32. That was a significant move. During 8 hours, you had 14.88%. We've got 2 green candles over there. It's not just 4 hours. It's 14.88% during these 2 candlesticks. In this case scenario, the speculation has been going around pretty well. Ethereum, BTC broke out of the same very long trending resistance line that we had. Now, the only downside of the whole thing here is that this resistance line is actually starting back in the day around August. So it's not one of those resistance lines that starts from the all-time high top. This is obviously minor. Therefore, the resistance that stepped in at the level of 31.70, 31.9, $32 has been massive for Solana. Take a look at that. We're trying to break out 4 times and all of them have failed. This is obviously not a good sign. Currently, we've been making a MSP, a market structure break. We closed the 4-hour candles below that. The next green candle that we just had within the past 4 hours is not determinant, do not show signs of recovery. So the whole picture right now obviously is not in the best shape as we should have seen at the time of a breakout. The breakouts in bear markets are different than the breakouts in bull markets, which is something you need to know about. If you're used to those breakouts of the bull market where everything just blows out one after the other and there is no pullback after 10% or 15%, the pullback appears after 40-50%, right? So 300% difference in the increase. Well, in this case scenario, things are looking totally different. And that's pretty all for the moment. These are the levels you need to pay high attention. It's good that we have tons of support below us right now. It can hold us. It can handle us properly. And that's what it is with the Solana at the moment. Network issues, community losing trust, competition has stepped in. Not the best picture and environment for Solana. Yeah, a lot of the things can still be done around the project and it's in the tops. So for those of you that are looking to be part of my coaching program, private coaching one-on-one directly with me, scrembocoaching.com is the page describing how does it work. This is a specific service where I'll take you from A to Z, where I'll take you on live conversations by hand and teach you how to become a trader. And we have our commission trading. So for anyone looking to join my trades that I perform for myself, well, feel free to look after this. It is done through API. It is basically a commission charge out of the pure profits we achieved, and that's all. This is pretty much all for today, folks. I'm looking forward to having a good time, and we'll talk to you soon. Make sure to like the video and subscribe.